This is the video documentation of Team 15 H Division. Our course project is to make an automatic tape dispenser. The members of the team are Anirudh, Akashani, Priyanka and Kiran. Problem definition. A semi-automatic tape dispenser should be able to cut tapes automatically and efficiently. It should be user-friendly and portable. It should be light in weight. The machine should be low in cost. It should be able to cut one specified size of tapes. The machine should be able to dispense one tape at a time, and it should be able to indicate when the tape roll gets over. It should be able to cut at least 8 to 10 tapes per minute, such that the machine would mainly be used for school projects and daily work. Function tree and functional clustering. Our automatic tape dispenser has four major functions: handling the tape, handling the dispensed tape, indication and casing. In handling the tape, it should be able to roll the tape, hold the tape, sense the empty tape, and have a provision for refilling the empty tape. In handling the dispensed tape, it should be able to cut one tape at a time, and it should dispense the cut tape. In the indication function, the automatic tape dispenser should indicate process completion, whether the machine is on or off, and initiate the cutting process. In the second figure, function clustering is done based on the four major functions. The subsystems identified in automatic tape dispenser are tape handling unit, indication unit, dispensing and cutting unit, and casing. We have come up with four concepts for the design of our project. In concept 1, there are two rollers to pass the tape, a sensor is present to sense the tape, and a blade cuts the tape. In concept 2, a tape is present and user gives the input from the buttons provided. An LED displays whether the machine is on or off, and after the user input, the tape is cut and is dispensed out. In concept 3, two blades are present, a DC motor, IR sensors, rotating plates and button. The input is given by the user and the blades and rotating plates cuts the tape and dispenses it. In concept 4, on pressing the start button, the turntable rotates and the blade cuts the tape and dispenses out. The selected concept is concept 1, which is decided according to the puck chart. To make the puck chart, the objectives of our automatic tape dispenser were semi-automatic, safety, portability, user-friendly, and indication, which is written priority-wise. Here the concept 2 was considered as datum and other concepts were compared accordingly. The maximum total score of concept 1 came to be the highest. Therefore, this is our selected design concept.
Virtual implementation. This is the subsystem 1, which is the tape handling unit. This comprises of two rollers. This is the roller 1, on which we will place the tape and attach a DC motor. This is the roller 2, by which the tape can be passed further. When the DC motor will rotate, the tape with the help of this roller can be passed further. This is the subsystem 2, which is the cutting and the dispensing unit. In this is a servo motor to which a blade is been attached. When the DC motor rotates and stops, the servo motor will rotate by an angle of 90 degree, by which with the help of the blade the tape will be cut. This is the subsystem 3, which is the casing unit. In this, all the other parts and the subsystem will be stored inside it. We have an opening at the right end of it, by which the tape can be dispensed and the user can take out easily. This is the subsystem 4, which is the indication unit. In this, we have an IR sensor and the Arduino board. This is the IR sensor which will be placed between the rollers and the cutting unit. This will sense whether the tape is present or not. This is the final integrated system. This is the way in which we will build our model. This is the subsystem 1, this is the subsystem 2, and this is subsystem 3, and this is the subsystem 4.
Circuit diagram of the entire system. In our project, we are using Arduino Mega. To this, two DC motors, relay module, IR sensor, servo motor, LED bulb and a battery is connected as shown in the circuit diagram. Flowchart model of the entire system. When the user gives the input, the DC motor rotates and the tape roll also rotates through the movement of roller. Then the presence of the tape is sensed by a sensor. After it is sensed, it is sent out and cut. If the process is completed, the LED turns green or else the LED is turned off. This is how our automatic tape dispenser would work. Bill of materials required for the entire system consists of tape holder of acrylic sheet for rotating the tape roll, DC motor of 12 volt and 10 RPM, roller made of acrylic sheet to rotate the tape. The base should be made of acrylic sheet to hold the motor and acts as a base. An IR sensor is required to sense the presence of tape. The housing of controller should be made of acrylic sheet. A blade and a rod is required for cutting. A device controller, that is an Arduino, is used for controlling the entire process. Housing parts made of acrylic sheets for housing the device. LED bulbs to indicate whether the process is completed or not. 9 or 12 volt battery for power generation and a servo motor for cutting of tape through the blade. Motor sizing and battery sizing of the entire system. Motor sizing. Number of DC motors required is 2 and servo motor is 1. Considering the factor of safety to be 1.5, for tape rolling and passing of tape, the total mass equals 500 grams, radius is 2 cm. Hence the total torque is 0.5 into 2 into factor of safety, which is equal to 1.5 kg centimeter. Hence the RPM of the motor required will be 60. For cutting of tapes, we will be using servo motor. Battery sizing. Number of motors in the system is 3. Assuming the current supply to be 0.3 amperes and the motor should run efficiently for 3 hours, battery sizing equals number of motors into current supply into number of hours, which is equal to 1.8 ampere hour. Functional specifications of the entire system. Holding of the tape should be held or kept in this unit. Rolling of the tape should rotate with DC motor. Sensing and refilling of tape. IR sensor should sense when the tape is empty so that it should be refilled. Dispense the cut tape. The tape should be dispensed out so that it can be cut and the user can take it out. Cutting of tape. When the tape is dispensed, it should cut the tape one by one of the specified length. Process indication. It should indicate through LED bulb when the process is completed. Modeling and simulation. The DC motor, IR sensor, LED bulb, servo motor and battery are connected in the Arduino as shown here in the circuit diagram. A suitable code is written to perform the operation as per our requirement. Here the user input is given by the keyboard. When the user enters A, the process is initiated. When the simulation is started, the servo motor adjusts to 0 degree. When the user inputs A, first the LED glows, followed by the rotation of DC motor for 3 seconds. After the DC motor is rotated, the servo motor comes to 90 degree to cut the tape.
Software and application used. The software used are GitHub for the whole documentation of our course project, Autodesk Inventor for 3D modeling and virtual implementation, Tinkercad for modeling and simulation, Clydio app for making the whole video documentation. We would like to thank our institute, KLE Technological University, the faculty and support staff of Center for Engineering Education, the engineering exploration team, our mentor and guide who provided all the guidance and support in completing this course project. This completes the video documentation of our course project. This video documentation was presented by Anirudh and Akashini. Thank you.